How do you use the privilege that has been given to you to post content online? Are you someone that posts positive and uplifting content? Or it's all about what goes viral, even if it is negative? Welcome back to the channel. This is J.A.T on Just a Thought. Back in the 80s and 90s, if you wanted to speak to the world, you had to go through one gate. And guess what? That is mainstream media. Television, radio, newspapers, they control the message. Only a few voices were heard, right? Only a few stories were told. Let's think back on it. And only a few narratives were pushed. But now, everything has changed. Yeah, man. With just a phone and Wi-Fi, you can sit on the beach, in your car, in your home, and speak to the world. Yeah, you, the content creator, the Jamaican YouTuber, you now hold the mic. But the question is, what will you say? We have been given a powerful opportunity to share knowledge, to inspire, to motivate, to entertain, to be a light, to bring joy, to uplift. This platform, YouTube, is not just for clout or controversy. It's a tool. My people, it's a privilege, and it must be used with grace. Yes, we can go viral with negativity. Yes, drama sells, but at what cost? As Jamaican YouTubers, we have a responsibility. Let's not waste our influence tearing down one another. Wow, let me say that again. Let's not waste our influence tearing down one another. We come from a rich culture, a powerful history, a resilient people. Let's use our voices to reflect that, okay? Let's change the world, not with hate, but with creativity, with love, with truth. Let me say that again. Let's change the world, Jamaican YouTubers and content creators and reactors, right? Let's change the world in a positive way, not with hate, but with creativity, because as Jamaicans, we are very creative. We are lovable. So let's change the world, not with hate, but with creativity, with love, with truth. Guess what, Jamaican YouTubers? The gate is open. It's not just mainstream media. You and I have the opportunity to post our thoughts, to post our ideas, to push the right narrative, to push positivity. The platform is here. The world is listening. Let's make it count. Can I ask you to like this video? Can I ask you to also share it with someone? And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. Do take care. Until our next video, all the best.